This morning I am making some butternut squash soup. It's a very simple soup. Basically butternut squash, it's easy. A carrot, an apple, onion, a little avocado oil, just to saute the onions in and carrots. For spices and garlic, salt, and pepper. All I'm going to do is slice the acorn squash first, and I'm going to roast it. It's more of a roasted soup. So I'll split this, seed it, and then just roast it on a pan unpeeled until it's tender. I do it 350 for 40 minutes, something like that, until I can put a knife in it and it's nice and tender. And I'll let it cool and put it in my Instant Pot. I like it in the sense of it's faster. It seems to combine the flavors quicker, and it's easy. It's a one-pot meal. That's my oven. It's 350, so I'm going to start the acorn squash. Now all I'm going to do is just clean out the seeds and put a little oil on, salt and pepper, and then face down on butternut squash in half. Clean the seeds out, a little salt and pepper and oil. I'll just flip them over so they're on their face, and put them in the oven at 350, and I will probably check them about a half hour, and I'm looking at maybe 40 minutes. While the squash is in the oven, I'm going to slice up the vegetables and start to saute them. I really like this Instant Pot. It seems to saute the vegetables, onions and carrots, really quickly. I put a little salt on top and a little pepper, just to add a little base of flavor. Well, it's been about 40 minutes and I just took them out, and it's soft. That's soft. That's real soft. I think that's done. So now I just let them cool, and then I will scoop out the insides. I just split them over so they can cool, and when they cool, I will scoop out the insides. I took the squash out and it's soft, so I'm just going to scoop it out and put it in a pot with two vegetable broth, and cook it for about 20 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, I got the squash in there. I'm adding 2 quarts of organic vegetable broth. I'm going to put the lid on, lock it, seal it, and set it for 30 minutes. Well, it's been 30 minutes. The timer is off. Let's release the pressure and see what our soup looks like. Everything is soft. Now I'm going to emulsify it and blend it all together. I'm done emulsifying the soup, blending it. Just give it a little quick taste. Very good. It's a good soup to have when you're on your cleanse. It's filling, and it's all vegetables. The only thing that I would have done differently is
I would have roasted the squash a little bit longer. It was a little stringy in the heavier parts, but other than that, it's delicious. You ought to try it. If you're serving the soup to someone that's not on the cleanse, then I would recommend add a little cream to it and a little dab of sour cream on top and a few chives, and it's a satisfying meal that both of you can enjoy. So enjoy.